In this UBC review, I will show you which modules are included in the UBC course and why I think it's an amazing course for people who want to learn how to make money online, on Instagram and TikTok, and how to sell and promote products. And if you decide to purchase this course, you are also purchasing the Master Resell Rights with it, which means that you can resell this course and keep 100% of the profits. The course contains more than 22 hours of videos and it teaches you attraction marketing. So it shows you how to create an attractive brand on social media, what type of content you can create, how to create content for those two platforms, what the difference is between a reel and a story, and which types of contents work to gain more followers, which ones work to make sales. And I think it's just an amazing course for people who don't have experience yet and they just want to learn the basics. But also for people who are maybe already advanced marketers, but who did not have success yet on Instagram and on TikTok, and who just want to learn how to sell on those platforms. So this is inside the Ultimate Branding course. Here in the classroom are all the modules. And here in the community tab, you will get all the updates. You see when the next call in your country is happening. You can get in touch with people that are also part of the Ultimate Branding community. And then in the classroom, you have some modules that are teaching you the basics of online business creation. So you have a funnel building module here. They are teaching you how to use the software system.io. I prefer Captivation Hub, and I'm using Captivation Hub as the main software to have all my assets in one place. But if you prefer systems.io, they will teach you here how to set it up. And I think they have also some done for you funnels, which you can download and connect. Then you have the high quality branding. So they're teaching you how to create an infectious brand. Then they also teach you about content creation. Then the basics of Instagram and TikTok. Then they're talking also about how to organize your content creation, how to be more efficient. Then they are showing you how to create reels, how to create value videos. And these are the two editing software that they go into and show you how to use them. So VLLO and CapCut. I'm using other editors, so I will create a video about that too, which I will upload on my YouTube channel. Then they're teaching about the concept of MRR, of Master Resell Rights. If you don't want to show your face, they're also teaching how to create a faceless account. Then they're talking about mindset, about how to sell online, then how to use ChatGPT, how to create digital products, how to use ManyChat, and so on. And then there are also live calls every week in different languages, and then you can find all the recordings here. So this is the English page. If you want to see the other languages, you have to go to the next pages. So here's the Spanish course. There's also a German one and a French one. So this is what you get. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram at Maria's Business Hacks.